I have a lot of battery cells sitting around on my shelf doing nothing, so I thought I will reassemble these power banks with proper cells this time, because as I bought them, they only had like 500 milliamp hour cells, and in the best case, one of the power banks had 800 milliamp hour cells. So that's not even close to this claimed 20,000 milliamp hour figure. That's just a lie. If you want to lie successfully, at least put down like 10,000 or something. That's much more believable. Like on this other power bank with 4 cells, you can actually achieve 10,000 milliamp hours. If you put in 4 times 2,600 or something, or 3,000, then this can be achieved. But this, yeah, I got this power bank for $4 with 5 cells, so you can imagine what quality they were. So yeah, I'm gonna rebuild this with 1,200, 300 cells, and it will have a total of 6,000 maybe. Yeah, exactly 6,000 hopefully. So let's see. We have to put the negative. It has to come from here to all the bottom sides here, and the positive will have to go from here to there to the top, and also the very bottom of the power bank. So yeah, let's do this outside in a sense. Like put them like this. Yeah. So we need yeah, like this, and I have can put them like this. Let's get rid of the excess stupidity here. Yeah. And let's put a wire all across here, and then it can bend back. Wait, am I being stupid here? Yep. So I need the cells here. Oh yeah, I'm being stupid. So yeah, let's put it like this, and have a wire coming here, here, and then coming back to the electronics negative terminal. So let's see. So it has to be longer on this side, and this is about the length you need. This can be uh, it doesn't need any insulation because yeah, it just sits there. For the positive, I will put insulated wire. So can I do it in my hand like this, standing up? Get it a bit off the surface there. Hold it far away so I don't burn myself. And allegedly this is okay to solder here if it has enough distance from the battery surface. Oh, oh yeah, it's copper. It conducts heat. So I think that's a good joint there. Uh, this one, like that. Let's put some solder. So yeah, if you can, you should definitely use the welder that welds these plates to the nickel plates or whatever. You put this there, and with the two electrodes, it just ping, just solders it instantly to the surface of the battery and doesn't heat it up. But we already have those soldered things, and yeah, I can just, I mean, welded things, so I can just solder to them like that. The next one, oh, this one doesn't have any. But that's not a real problem because uh, I think it supports one. Oh yeah, there's a tiny little thing that I can solder to. So I don't have to heat up the whole thing, I think. But I have soldered batteries before. So it should be fine. But if it explodes, at least I have it on camera. So, come on. I have to hold it with my hand. That's not gonna end well. Let me put something in between my hand and the wire. Like that. Come on. Oh yeah, put it right here. Much better. Like that. Come on. Yeah, and let's see. Yeah, I think that worked. It doesn't have to support very many amps. Just yeah, maybe. Oh, I'm being stupid here. The total has to support 1 amp. I also forgot that the electronics is really shitty. So when you have a small little coil like this, that's 1 amp. If an battery bank electronics has a bigger coil like this, then it can go up to 2 amps or even further. But yeah, if it's smaller than this, then it's 1 amp. So like that. And also these here. I don't need any spacing or anything. Just yeah, get these excesses off because I don't need the tails here. Like that. Solder it. Of course, I made sure that the voltages are the same. Before I started this video, I measured all the cells. They are all around 4.09 volts. So that's I can connect them in series, no problem. Or parallel. Parallel. I'm being stupid. This is parallel. Like that. And the fifth one, like here. Okay. Yeah. That should be fine. So let's measure the cells once more. If you don't trust me, or I don't trust myself, let's check all the voltages here. 20 volts and oh, positive, negative. Let's put this one here and 407, 408, 408, 406. Yeah, 407. So yeah, that's mostly what I measured, and it's fine. Maybe dropped 0.01 volts since I measured, like yesterday. That may be a problem long term, but with shitty cells, you don't expect much better than that. So, yeah, it should be fine. And yeah, oops, this one came off. So I need a better soldering job here. Maybe I solder it in the end when it's all in place and there's no strain on it. Or just solder it now and see if it explodes. So yeah, this is a kind of a mistake. These cells are fully charged. So usually when you do any soldering stuff and wiring, you should use depleted cells. So in case of a short or something, you're not killing everything here and risk an explosion or fire. So yeah, I think that did it. So I just soldered it to the surface of the battery. And oops, it's coming off. Hmm. So I have to solder this yeah, solder this after I put everything in. That's not a real problem. So the other side will have to be a different piece of wire, and one will have to be bare till here, like that, and this will go across the, yeah, it will be here and it will go across like that. Yeah, it reaches. Okay, so that's enough, and I need another piece of wire like that. Hook these up, hopefully no problem here. Yeah, make sure everything is straight or something like that. Let's get it off the surface here and try to solder better than the others. So yeah, I hold it like this and solder. Yep. This one, get it slightly off here, like that. Solder it. Like that. This excess can, let's get it off. Let's get off the excess here. Come on, like that. And this one, yeah, like this. Oh, let's put it right there. Whatever, it doesn't matter. It's total 1 amp, so it doesn't really matter where I put it. Yeah, and this one will go across. Yeah, let's put them back inside. Oh, and I messed up. What did I do? I wired it wrong again, but it's not a real problem. Oh boy, because the cells have to go in like this, and the positive will have to come across a lot, a lot, a lot. So yeah, this wasn't the best idea here. Oh boy. Let's try to correct it, like coming through here and coming directly, and it doesn't reach. Oh boy, I made a boo-boo. But yeah, I'll just have a wire coming here back and there. It's not a real problem. Oh boy. Yeah. A slight miscalculation. And here, what can I do here? I think these will just touch, and I don't care to solder it there. it will touch the bottom and it will be fine. Like that. I think so. So this, and I need one more wire for the positive. Maybe I use a thinner wire there. Ooh boy, where can I get a wire? Wire. Oh, I have some here. Let's this is enough thickness, just network cable. So let's strip it. And put it on the positive terminals. Like here. Yeah, that got it. Here. Come on. Play nice here. Like that. Yeah. And so this is the negative. This is fine. I did this okay. Mostly. Let's cut it somewhere. Like here. I think. This is the positive and the other positive. So we'll just strip it and have it go to the contact here and then come back to this wire, and it's fine. Like this. So it will be here. Yeah, let's try to solder that. I don't care to solder here. Just bend back this other thing here and it will make a contact. I don't care any more than that. So they are all connected. I check the solders by trying to force it off and it's all good. So put it in like that. Yeah, this requires a little push here or something. Not everything wants. Oh, here's a bent. The case is slightly bent here. So, yeah. What? Just a second here. Here, we have some obstacles. Yeah. Let's try to cut them off. I had to deal with this once before in my other power bank that I assembled. So here are some pieces of plastic that are fine when you just welded the things, but the solder takes up extra space, so we need extra space here and here too, like that, and probably on the other side too. So here, just, oh, this one wasn't in the way, but as long as just to make sure. Okay, that should be fine. More space for the batteries, and yeah, like that. Now everything fits. Well, that's nice. Let's just push this wire bit down here to make contact, to hide the fact that I didn't do a good solder job. So now this negative will have to go here, like here, and the positive to positive. Imagine that. Oh, I was about to cause a short. Well, you have to be, you have to pay attention. This is a copper wire, and if I touch the negative to the positive with this copper wire, which is the soldering iron, then that would have been nice. Oh boy. I have to hold this with something else, not my finger. That was... I didn't even think of that. Just on the spot. I said to myself, wait, you're about to blow things up. So stop. Oh boy. So I have to be careful with this. This wire can come here. This is the positive, yes. And come down there. Make a connection. Hopefully not blow up anything. And then come back to the yellow wire. Okay. Seems to be okay. But I still risk some shorts here, because the negative is very close. Yeah. Don't do this at home. So this is really bad what I did here. Really, really bad. But I think it's fine. Yep, it's fine. So let's just solder these two together and cut off the excess. So this is the positive again. So it shouldn't touch anything else. Yeah, I have to be very careful. I have to insulate it afterwards. But first I'll just try it out. Like that. It's fine. So now let's try it out. Here's a power bank, and let's get the USB cable. USB cable. Here. And try to power it. Come on. Yep. It's already charging. And if I try to charge the power bank from it, from any port here, like that, and put it in, it's blue for some reason. This is not good. Why is it blue? So if I plug this in, no. Let's press the button maybe. Oh yeah, now it powers off up. And it started charging. It's blinking. Yeah. So it works. I have to insulate this positive terminal, and we're done. I have a 6000 milliamp hour power bank, and I'll test it, of course, and post the results in the description or something. So yeah, I hope you learned something, and see you in the next video.